And now, moving on to local politics, we've seen some developments in the Pertsville City Council that may
This is a public safety announcement from the North Coldia Weather Station. An extreme cold warning has been issued effective from January 10, 1995 until January 14, 1995 for the following cities: Pertsville, Vasco City, Fargo City, Alonia, Stormchurch City, and Pavemia. Residents in these areas should prepare for dangerously low temperatures and severe winter conditions. Temperatures are expected to drop as low as -45 degrees Celsius, 49 degrees Fahrenheit or 228.15 Kelvin, with wind chill making it feel even colder. Great snowfall with accumulation of up to 60 centimeters, 23.6 inches, and large hail are also expected. Please avoid unnecessary travel and stay indoors. This is an urgent weather warning. More updates will follow shortly.
Well, you heard it here first, folks. Stay safe out there. This is really unprecedented.
This is a nationwide emergency message from the North Coldia Weather Station. As of January 11, 1995, a great freeze warning is now in effect for the entire country of North Coldia. The severe cold front will intensify over the next 24 hours, with temperatures expected to drop to record-breaking lows. Temperatures in many areas, including Pertsville, Vasco City, Fargo City, Alonia, Stormchurch City, and Pavemia, will fall below -60 degrees Celsius, -76 degrees Fahrenheit or 213.15 Kelvin, posing an extreme threat to life. In addition, heavy snowfall and hail will continue, with up to 100 centimeters, 39.4 inches of snow expected in some regions. Hail the size of golf balls has already been reported in certain areas. Wind speeds will further reduce visibility and worsen conditions, making travel nearly impossible. This is an extremely dangerous situation. All residents are urged to stay indoors, keep warm, and avoid any outdoor exposure. Emergency services are on high alert, and shelters remain open throughout the nation. Please remain tuned to this channel for further updates.